Looking for the best, they're truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best radar detector mount available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Charger City Radar Detector Mount. This upgraded radar detector mount stands out for its exceptionally secure metal slide-in cradle, engineered to eliminate vibration and shaking even on rough roads, ensuring your device stays firmly in place while driving. The oversized, super-strong windshield suction cup provides a reliable hold, while the heat-resistant suction base performs impressively in extreme temperatures, avoiding the common issue of gel mounts softening or detaching in hot weather. Installation is quick and straightforward thanks to the convenient adjustment thumbscrew knob, which allows precise positioning and firmly locks the radar detector in place. Its durable construction maintains stability in both intense summer heat and freezing winter conditions, making it a dependable long-term mounting solution. Combining rugged build quality, ease of use, and outstanding weather resistance, this mount delivers a premium experience for drivers seeking a secure, vibration-free setup that performs consistently in all driving environments. Next up, we have Crossery Radar Detector Mount. This radar detector mount is a thoughtfully designed solution for drivers who want a secure, low-profile setup without obstructing their view of the road or compromising detector performance. Its broad compatibility with most Escort radar detectors and the Beltronics RX65 makes it a versatile choice, while the adjustable rotating knob allows precise angle positioning to perfectly match the windshield's pitch for optimal detector alignment. Built from premium-grade materials, the mount performs reliably in both extreme heat and freezing temperatures, maintaining stability when lesser mounts may fail. The powerful single-suction cup provides a strong, dependable grip on either the windshield or dashboard, minimizing movement during daily driving. Installation is remarkably simple, requiring only a few quick steps to secure the mount and slide the detector into place. Coming in at number 3, Escort Radar Detector Mount. The Escort Easy Mag windshield mount delivers a premium and highly practical mounting solution for compatible Escort radar detectors, combining convenience, security, and sleek design. Its standout feature is the powerful magnetic attachment system, which firmly grips the detector through the integrated magnetic anchor plate, creating a stable connection that minimizes movement and vibration while driving. Paired with Escort's proven sticky cup silicone suction cup technology, the mount adheres securely to the windshield, maintaining a reliable hold even during long trips and varying road conditions. What truly enhances the user experience is the effortless quick-release functionality, allowing drivers to remove and store their radar detector in seconds when leaving the vehicle without compromising mounting strength during use. The overall construction feels durable and well-engineered, reflecting Escort's reputation for quality accessories. Now at number 4, Uniden Radar Detector Mount. The Uniden SSS00275R mount is a well-engineered accessory designed specifically for the Uniden R8W, R8, R4W, and R4 radar detectors, providing a secure and stable mounting solution that helps maximize detector performance. By keeping the radar detector firmly positioned, the mount supports consistent signal reception and helps maintain optimal laser and radar detection range without the distractions of movement or vibration. As an official Uniden accessory, it is constructed from high-quality materials that feel durable and capable of withstanding the rigors of daily driving, including bumps, vibrations, and changing weather conditions. The precision fit ensures a seamless connection with compatible detectors, enhancing both convenience and reliability. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing drivers to quickly mount their device and get on the road. And finally, our last pick, iGevo Radar Detector Mount. This dashboard radar detector mount is a practical and well-designed solution for drivers using compatible Escort, Uniden, Beltronics, and Whistler radar detectors. By positioning the detector on the dashboard rather than the windshield, it preserves a clear driving view while maintaining excellent visibility and signal detection performance. The mount is purpose-built to provide a secure, snug fit that minimizes movement and vibration, helping the Detector operate consistently and accurately on the road. One of its standout features is its impressive heat resistance, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit 120 degrees Celsius, making it highly reliable in hot climates and vehicles exposed to direct sunlight. The premium 3M adhesive base delivers exceptional holding power on dashboards and center consoles, preventing unwanted slipping or detachment during daily driving. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.